Now coming to PS5 storage expansion. PS5 options and my picks. PS5 and the PS5 Pro both come with the option of user expandable storage. All you have to do is simply pop the side panel of the PS5 and then a small cover, and boom, now you can easily expand your storage. Though the PS5 does have some heavy requirements that your NVMe drive must meet in order for it to work. The PS5 comes with new features and require blazing fast NVMe, like the games having almost no loading screens, quick resumes, and switching between multiple games that are paused and stored when the player wants to resume, they will not see any load times, and it is as if the games were running in the background at all times. And to make these features, Sony sets a minimum requirement of only Gen4 SSDs, which support a 5500 megabits minimum read and write spec for any kind of Gen4 NVMe SSD. Any less and the PS5 will not let you use that SSD. This might seem expensive, but still, this is miles better than what Microsoft did with the Xbox and its expensive proprietary SSD design. My choice for PS5 SSD is the Corsair MP600 Elite 1TB NVMe SSD, that is a Gen4 drive. This drive ticks all the boxes for PS5 users with its rated endurance of 600 TBW and a 5-year limited warranty. Also, the sequential read speeds of 7000 megabit and write speeds of 6200 megabit hit well above Sony's minimum requirement. If we talk about thermals, then this drive comes with a pre-installed heatsink designed to fit snugly into the PS5's expansion slot. During our test, it hit 80 degrees Celsius after 10 minutes of continuous write load, at which point the performance started to throttle. But here's the good news. In real-world gaming scenarios, the SSD is so fast that tasks finish long before the temps climb that high. It's priced in India at around 8400 to 9000 rupees as of December 2024. If you're planning to upgrade your PS5 storage, don't cut corners. Drives like the Corsair MP600 Elite are worth the investment, offering a perfect balance of speed, endurance, and compatibility, all at a reasonable price. Whether you're looking to load up on AAA games or simply want a hassle-free storage solution, this drive gets the Kuro seal of approval. And guys, that wraps up our deep dive into the PS5's SSD. But we are not done yet here. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore gaming laptops and their SSDs and how they impact performance. Well, get ready, stay excited, and we'll see you soon.